Hello friends, this is a video 02 for Public Administration paper 2, and we will start with Kautilya's Arthashastra, that is Kautilya's administrative estate. So what is Artha? Artha means means of livelihood. So Arthashastra means how you get your livelihood, that is defined in Arthashastra. So its aims, Arthashastra says that there are two main aims of any administration or any kingdom. First is Palana. Palana means administration and protection of state and its subjects. And then Labh. Labh means conquest and acquisition of territory. So these two particular keywords you have to remember, Palana and Labh. And the book is divided into 15 parts or 15 books. They are called Adhikaranas. And first 5 deal with tantra. Tantra means internal administration of a state. And practical aspects rather than theorizing, such as social contract theory by Hobbes and Locke. Hobbes and Locke, they gave theorizing things like why society occurs, how people actually make contract with each other in order to live together. But Kautilya does not give any theory. He directly gives the practical aspects of the administration and solutions of all the problems. So according to Arthashastra, in the origin of the state, there was total anarchy. Means people are totally not disciplined or ruled, or there was no state or order. So that time Matsya Nyaya or law of fish was prominent. Law of fish says that the bigger fish will eat anyway smaller fish. So that is Matsya Nyaya. So King Manu, he was the first king according to Indian Shastras. So he was established as a king for peace and well-being and security of the nation. So people promised that okay, you become king and you make sure that order is implemented. And people agreed to pay taxes and ruled by one person. One person means that particular king or monarch. So people themselves defined that okay, we will give taxes to a particular king and he should rule us. So since you know that now monarchy is established, so we should know what was the system of monarchy. So it says that divinity of king proposed, means king was divine. He was like a particular god. No one can question him. And then in this particular system of monarchy, we know that this is king is the sole power authority. But there are some few other concepts also, like Dvay Rajya. In Dvay Rajya, joint rule over the whole kingdom by members of the same family. Means one particular family will rule the whole kingdom, and there will be no one particular Raja or monarch. And there is another concept of Vairajya, that is rule by foreign king, who seized the kingdom by force and ousted the legitimate ruler. So this particular concept where Raj, like Britishers ruled India and they just replaced all the original inhabitant rulers like Marathas or Mughals or Bengal Nawabs. So they have that Vairaj, and this is totally strongly disproved by Kautilya. Why? Because the foreign ruler will have no interest in improving the conditions of the local society, and he will just make sure that he gains a lot from the local kingdom. So that is totally wastage of local resources, and he will have no interest in implementing welfare measures. So that's why Vairaj is very bad. Then Arthashastra also defines qualities of ruler. So first quality is that ruler should be native of territory, means he should be residing that territory only, born there. Then follow Shastras, which means that there are some codification rules in Shastras, that is dharma, which he has to follow. And then he should be of noble birth. How this noble birth was defined, that his family is from some aristocratic class. They were already some big landlords or some monarchs, king. So he should be from king's family. So these three are the qualities of rulers. Then king should be learned in philosophy, economy, and Dandaniti, that is political science. So here we have to differentiate between Arthasastra's king as well as philosopher king of Plato. Plato is also telling that the king should be totally good in philosophy, economics, and political science, etc. But the Plato's king is idealistic. He leads a life of sand. But Indian king is only learned. he learns because he has to govern the country. He is not going to become saint or ascetic. साधु नहीं बन जाएगा वो. He will totally enjoy life. There will be totally materialism in his kingdom, but still he will learn this philosophy, economics, the niti and everything in order to govern the society better. So that's all for this video, and in next video we will continue with the Arthashastra's discussion. Thank you.